Evaluate double integral over S a bar dot n cap ds, where a bar is the vector field zi plus xj minus 3y square z k, and S is the surface of the cylinder x square plus y square equals 16, included in the first octant between z equals 0 and z equals 5. Here, in order to evaluate this surface integral, first we have to evaluate n cap. Recall that n cap is the unit vector normal to the surface S. Whenever we have to find out a vector which is normal to the given surface, we will evaluate gradient. For example, here we have the surface of cylinder x square plus y square equals 16, which is bounded between z equals 0 and z equals 5. When you look at the equation of the surface, the LHS is a function on x and y. If you call it as a function phi of xy, then in order to find out a vector normal to the cylindrical surface S, you have to evaluate gradient of phi. The physical interpretation of gradient itself conveys that gradient is a vector normal to the surface considered. We have phi of xy equals LHS of the equation x square plus y square equals 16. That is, when you evaluate gradient of expression x square plus y square, you get the vector quantity 2xi plus 2yj, and this is the required gradient, which is the vector normal to the cylindrical surface. But this vector, which is the gradient, is not a unit vector. In order to find out the corresponding unit vector, we have to evaluate 2xi plus 2yj upon root of 2x the whole square plus 2y the whole square. Whenever you have a vector of the form ai plus bj and you wish to find out unit vector corresponding to this vector, then you will have to evaluate ai plus bj upon root of a square plus b square. Thus, here we obtain the required unit vector n cap equals xi plus yj upon 4. Now we will project the portion of the cylinder which is bounded between z equals 0 and z equals 5, which is included in the first octant, over to the YZ plane, so that we obtain the portion O, B, B dash, O dash. Let us call this projected portion or the projected region as capital R. Since we have projected the surface onto the YZ plane, we will have x equals 0. In this equation, when you give x equals 0, it reduces to the form y square equals 16 after we have projected it onto the YZ plane. When you consider the equation y square equals 16, you will get range of variation of y as negative 4 to positive 4. That is, y ranges from negative 4 to positive 4. But we have been given another restriction that the portion of the cylinder to be considered is lying in the positive octant or the first octant. Therefore, we will have to exclude the negative branch. Therefore, we have y ranges from 0 to 4, which is obtained from this equation, also considering the fact that the required surface lies in the positive octant. In the YZ plane, from the question it's clear that Z varies from 0 to 5. Recall that when we project S on the YZ plane and we obtain region R, we will have to replace the derivative element ds using the expression dy dz upon I dot n. This is the expression for n cap. Therefore, A dot n cap will be the dot product between the vector field A bar and unit vector n cap. We have I dot n will be dot product between I and this vector, which is n cap. When you evaluate dot product between vector I and this vector n cap, you will get 1 by 4 times x as the answer, because I dot I equals 1 and I dot j equals 0. In the numerator, when you evaluate the dot product between these two vector quantities, you will get 1 by 4 times x multiplied to y plus z as the numerator, and in the denominator you get I dot n equals 1 by 4 times x, which is obtained by taking this dot product. Now we have 1 by 4 x get cancelled from numerator and denominator. When you wish to carry out integration with respect to y first, you will have to give range of variation for y from 0 to 4. Z varies from 0 to 5. After integration, you get the required surface integral takes the value 90.